playing with your birds, Charlie? You playing with your birds? I was gonna go find your sock and put it on you. Ah. Hi, Charlie. You got double chins. Mommy should shoot you from this side instead. Hi. You playing with your bird? Look at your bird. Yeah, there's your bird. Oh, at your birds? What's that? What are you trying to say? What's over there? You like that one, huh? It's got the ring on it. You like grabbing the ring? Oh. Dodo. You just like the apple? Charlie! Hey! A smile? A smile? Bless you! Nice. Smile. Nice smile. Hey, there's Charlie playing with his birds. Okay, Mommy has to unload the car real fast, huh, Charlie? Okay, and find your sock. Mama, cool? No, you're just grunting? Okay, I can get your sock and blanket.